The focus of this unit was project-based learning. And so here are some of the key points on the left that you see bolded and how we address those in this unit. So key knowledge, understanding, and success skills. So every project that we do is always aligned to our core standards and learning targets. As far as a challenging problem or question and authenticity, you saw that in our project scenario. It's a real-world situation. We try to grab students' attentions by getting them excited about something that's kind of going on in pop culture. And then authenticity is because it could actually be a real-world situation, something that happens. Sustained inquiry, we will provide student resources, but we also provide opportunities for them to discover their own, to accomplish tasks. Student voice and choice is a big one for us because we are an elective. Students choose to be in our classes. We want to make it fun. So in all of our projects, we always give them options. So in this specific project, students have 3 different options to choose from for their treehouse structure. It has 3 different shapes. So one's triangle, rectangle, and octagon. And you'll see in a few slides from now what those look like. As far as reflection go, students are always provided rubrics and time to actually self-assess their work before they turn it in, and then we provide them feedback using Google Classroom. Critique and revision, we do show and tell days. So something with our computer lab, students kind of get honed into their own project and they're not really talking and kind of collaborating with other people. So we designate times for students to do that. So they get together with a partner, show off their work, kind of tell them about it, walk them through the design process. And then that's time for their peers to actually give them feedback and ways to improve their design. And then at the very end, they show off their final renderings. They get displayed in our classroom, and then for all the other periods and students to see them throughout the day.